In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall programs on your Mac computer. So if you want to permanently delete or uninstall an application, I'm going to show you how to do that in a couple of easy steps. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and click on your Finder in the bottom left-hand side of your Mac. Now, once you're on this page here, you need to go and click on Applications from the left-hand side. This is going to show you all of the apps that you have installed on your computer. Now, I'm just going to change the view here so we can see this a little bit better. As you can see, here's all the apps that I have installed. Now, to go and delete or to remove one of these applications, all you simply need to do is go and select the app like so, and then you need to go and drag this into your trash icon in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Now, also one thing to note is if you can't find your application in this window here, is what you can do is go and double click on this option called Launchpad, and you should be able to find your application from here. So once you've found your application, just go and drag it into the bin like so. Now, you may also get a security pop-up where you need to go and enter your password. So I'm just going to enter my password like this and press enter. And as you can see, this has now been moved to the bin. So go and open up your recycle bin. And then all we need to do now is click on empty in the top right hand side and click on empty bin. Now you can just make sure this has been deleted by opening up the Launchpad, and then you can go and search for your application to make sure it's been deleted. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.